I'm out here digging in the scrap pile again. I found a little bit of stuff already. This, I thought it was aluminum when I picked it up, but I scratched it on the concrete. It's actually copper, so that's pretty cool. Don't see a lot of that. O2 sensor. We got some sockets and tools. Just junk Taiwan. Oh, a nice regreasable caster wheel. Save that guy. That's going to be brass. This is a pretty big chunk of brass. It's at least a pound. Pretty cool. Another one. More than likely brass. Yeah, the inside of it looks like brass. Alright, we got a customer coming, but this is what we pulled out of just one fridge so far. Alright, just got him unloaded. I gave him a hand getting everything out of his truck. Let's go through everything that this guy just brought in while we were back here. These are normally pretty good. There's not usually much wrong with them. We got some rotors. Stainless, maybe. Yep. Pretty nice looking cast iron pan. I almost missed this. Let's see what brand it is. Emerald. Too bad that's broke. It's still cast iron. Alright. That's about it for right now. Been a pretty slow Monday.